To Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase script organizer pro plugin for your WordPress website. So let's get started. I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page, and here you will see all the details about this product. Okay, and here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Use for one domain, update validity lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will activate your script organizer pro plugin with our original license key so that you will receive automatic update on it. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. Okay, after that you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just set your website temporary access with us and we will activate your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.